Follow the steps on how to edit editable text effects like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by inserting a background image. Crop the image and adjust it to the size of the artboard. Press Ctrl 2 to lock the background. Press M to make a rectangle. Then press T to insert text. Adjust the size and position. Here we need Pathfinder. Select the object, hold Alt, and click Exclude. Change the color again. Prepare the Appearance panel. Click FX and add a drop shadow. Then also add a transform effect. Double-click to edit the text. And click here to close. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.